Supercharger kit for the V6 Challenger. Mine's a 2019. I bought it on the 4th of July. It was on sale. Nice of RIPP to send you free. If you buy it during the 4th of July, they give you a nice 4th of July shirt. Definitely going to be wearing that. Just to give you an idea of how much packing was in the box. It was very well packed. All that packing came out. Well, let's go through what was in the box. We have our installation and tuning guide. This first one's the tuning. Underneath that's the installation on installing the vehicle. Step-by-step guide. If you do it, they suggest that you get a professional. I'm actually going to do it myself. You have all your air charge parts, all the piping, lots of different piping, very well packed. I didn't see no scratches. You don't see no scratches. Cooling pipe, brand new. RIPP now gives you the RTD. It does not come with the HP Tuners MPVI 3. This allows you to load and unload, but it doesn't allow you to really tune through HP Tuners editor. But RIPP will, you send them a couple of your tunes and they'll fine tune it for you after you install it. So I'd rather let them do it. They're professionals. And then eventually I am going to take it to a dyno, get it dyno tuned as well. Here we got the thermostat housing. You get a new thermostat. Alright. Comes with a new that in there. I believe this is the, what does it say? I believe it's 180 instead of the 210. 180 degrees, 185, something like that. Then you have, like on a turbocharger, you have your wastegate, similar to that. This opens up, relieve pressure. In that box, good. Alright, moving on. We have new fuel injectors. Once you install this kit, you have to use 91 or higher octane. You need more fuel, obviously, with the supercharger to get more power. That's what that is. To be able to off of your PCM and on your PCM, you need a smart access cable. This comes in the kit as well. Let me show you what that looks like. It's just a real quick cable. Behind your front dash is the security module, and you plug this in the bypass. Just unplug it, plug this in the middle. Here's the brackets. You have to take off your bumper bracket. You have to cut that off. And then these gets on here. This holds the intercooler. So these brackets go on and your intercooler goes on this. And I'll show you intercooler here in a little bit. I have a new, this is the new air filter. I have a cold air intake. I'm actually going to be taking it out because I have to use this. And I'll probably be selling that like on Facebook Marketplace or something. Get rid of it. But it's a nice one. So far, so good. Lots of stuff. Like Christmas and my birthday all over again. Here we got a new coolant channel. You got to take the old one off because now you have this little pulley that goes on there because you have a bigger belt that needs to go around the supercharger. Lots of piping and tubes, elbows. So we're going to see some more of that here in a minute. This goes on the front. This will go on front of the supercharger, like that. And then you have your, like that. But anyways, like this. And then you have your air filter. It goes, actually no, it will go this way. Sorry about that. But that's what that is. That goes on the front of the supercharger. Alright. Oh, here's the bad boy. Here's the supercharger. Lots of more elbows. Making sure everything fits nice and snug around everything. Here's your new belt. It's longer. Hose clamps. A whole bunch of them. Different fittings and nuts and bolts and stuff. I think that's the new max sensor right here. Another elbow. Brackets and bolts. And there it is. Here's the Supercharger. RIPP's nice little emblem on there with information. Kind of hefty. It's pretty decent. RIPP gives you 2 bottles. One bottle I know you have to put in first 500 miles for a break-in. You can change out with the other one. You can buy them on RIPP. I'm sure you can probably buy them on Amazon as well. Last but not least is the big box with the, I'll just take it out, with the intercooler. And then it'll mount right on the front. Alright. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to be doing an installation video. I'm just going to do highlights. I'm not going to do complete install. I'm going to take a while to do this. I'm going to do it as slow as I can, make sure I get everything right. So I'll make a smaller video of all the major highlights of what has to happen during installation. See you next time.